In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a video in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll feel confident making your clip larger or smaller on the canvas while keeping it clean, readable, and visually balanced. First, open your video project. If you've already been working on it, simply return to that project so you can keep building on what's there. When the project loads, give it a second to render the preview so you can see exactly what you're working with. This is your main workspace, and everything you adjust here updates in real time, so it's easy to judge how the size change affects your layout, text, and other elements. Next, select the video. Click directly on the clip in your canvas or timeline so it's highlighted. When it's selected, you'll notice a bounding box appear around the video in the canvas area. That outline confirms you're working on the video layer itself, not a background or another graphic. If you have multiple elements on the screen, make sure the handles appear specifically around your video. This prevents accidental changes to other items. Now, drag the bars on the edges. These are the handles that appear on the sides and corners of the bounding box. Click and drag outward to make the video larger, or inward to make it smaller. As you drag, keep an eye on the overall composition. Corners give you a smooth, proportional feel, and sides are helpful when you want a more subtle adjustment. If your video includes important details near the edges, avoid shrinking too much or cropping too tightly. Check that faces, captions, and key action stay within the safe area of the frame so nothing gets cut off. As you resize, watch the preview to see how your video sits alongside any text overlays, logos, or graphics you've added. A slightly larger video can draw attention, while a slightly smaller one can create breathing room for titles or captions. If the clip starts looking pixelated, consider keeping it closer to its original size to maintain clarity, because extreme upscaling may reduce perceived quality. Aim for a balance where the subject is clear, the margins feel consistent, and the frame looks intentional. That's all it takes. Open your video project, select the video, and drag the bars on the edges to resize. Take a moment to review the framing and fine-tune the size until the visuals look polished and professional. With these simple adjustments, your video will fit your design beautifully in Adobe Express.